Hey guys, Rishabh here. When you sit under the night sky, you wonder about the moon, you wonder about the stars, you wonder about the discovery. But have you ever wondered about an invisible wave which has been traveling from 30.8 billion years in our universe? It holds so many mysteries about our universe. It calculates the age of universe. It reveals the composition of our universe. It even confirms the Big Bang theory. Have you guessed it? Yes, we are talking about CMB, Common Microwave Background. And what if I tell you that discovery of common microwave background was completely accidental? Yes. So let me take you on the journey of accidental discovery of CMB. So in 1940s, a physicist by the name George Gamow predicted the existence of CMB. Now after this prediction, there was a race amongst every scientist to find the traces of CMB. Meanwhile, a group of physicists led by Robert Dicke were also trying to find CMB. They built up a detector specifically to find CMB, but they did not have that much of resources, so they failed. Now, after some time, two business partners by the name Arnold Penzias and Robert Wilson, who ran the Bell Tech Laboratories, were trying to find a new channel for their communication. Now, let me tell you, Bell Tech Laboratories was a pioneer of communication industry at that time, and they had all the resources they needed. They have big antennas, detectors, and all such stuff. Penzias and Wilson ran their experiment. They set up the antenna, the detector, and started looking for the channel. They started subtracting all the noise which was interfering the detector. But there was this strange signal, this strange noise which was not going away. No matter where in the sky they pointed, it was still there. They thought that it has something to do with the antenna, so they went to check it out. And they saw pigeons nesting and they had poop all over it. Penzias and Wilson thought it was the reason behind the interference, so they wiped it off, but the signal remained. Now, Penzias and Wilson were sure that it has nothing to do with the antenna, not the detectors, and definitely not the pigeons. So Penzias and Wilson did what anyone else would do. They talked to other scientists. Now you remember how I told you about Robert Dicke who was trying to find CMB. So Robert Dicke and his colleagues heard about this incident and they knew what this strange signal was. They knew what this strange signal was which was coming from every direction of our cosmos. It was the cosmic microwave background. Yes, they have made the discovery of CMB. In 1978, Robert Penzias and Wilson received a Nobel Prize for their discovery. So, this was the story of discovery of CMB. If you like this video. If you love this video, please drop a follow. See you in the next one. Bye bye.